As an engineer and a scientist who works in the field of spiritual awakening, one of the things I find is that there seems to be this conflict or this confusion about the purpose of science. So a lot of spiritual people seem to be using science to prove somehow that spirituality works or is true. And I actually think that's a distraction. So I came into science via the route of engineering. And as engineers, we use models a lot. We're not terribly interested always in the theory that may or may not be super elegant, but what we're interested in is the results. And so we use models. So for example, we might use a scale model, put in a wind tunnel, that kind of thing. Might use a computer model or a mathematical model. That was basically my PhD. And the thing about a model is we know that a model isn't the thing. And I wonder if a lot of the spiritual beliefs and constructs, including some of the major religions, dare I say that, are actually models that are people's best guess and best way of explaining spirituality and spiritual experiences. So, what do you believe? What's your truth and what's the truth and what's the difference? Have you noticed this? Because I wonder if one of the things that we need to get back to is this idea that there is no universal fundamental truth that works all the time. There's just concepts and models. Because the thing about models is they have a limit. For example, my PhD works up to speed of sound. After that, it's broken. Now, does that mean the model doesn't work? No, just means it has its limits. Law of gravity doesn't work at the subatomic level. So does that mean gravity doesn't work? No, I'm pretty happy. I'm staying on the earth. So what's your model? What's your beliefs and where do they work? And what's the limits of them? Join the conversation. My name is Lisa Turner from Set Freedom.